Hello, what is up mga moms sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to talk about the Funko Pop Batman from the Justice League. Maraming salamat Esoteric.ph, Esoteric.ph, for giving me this action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. So, simula tayo sa box. We have the Pop Heroes here sa upper left, Justice League logo, 461. Cost niya around 1,200. Special edition. Ito yung merong mga comic book na execution dito ng mga lines. So yun, itatry natin siya. Kasi meron din akong comic book na customization na gagawin din dito. Okay? So yun yung gagawin nating modification dyan sa action figure or sa Funko Pop figure. Pop Heroes logo, Batman Funko Pop with a white outline, Batman text, 461 DC logo. Justice League, we have Batman, Green Lantern, The Flash, Aquaman, Martian Manhunter, Superman, Wonder Woman. Collect them all. Super cool. Funko Pop. Namiss ko itong mga Funko Pops. Pop logo, DC logo, Batman text, 461. Okay, meron pang boss protector. Maraming salamat. Esoteric PH. Okay, dito tayo kay Batman 89. 89. Justice League. Ang height niya ay around 4.5 inches. Wow! Tangkad niya, mas matangkad pa siya kay Pattinson. Ayun, laki kasi ng niya bat ears niya. And also ito yung comparison kay Iron Man na naka-landing pose. Super nice, grabe. Panalo yung ears niya, ang laki compared dito kay Pattinson. Ganda ng execution na ginawa ni dito ni Funko Pop. The comic book lines here. Meron pang parang gray na badge type dito, yung shapes. You have the pointed na parang pointed sun. So parang nandito yung highlight. Tapos ito lahat shadows. And then ito yung highlight ng nose. Ganda ng eyes na hindi siya super circle tulad nito. Modify din natin yung eyes pag ganyan. Then they have the face here. Tapos very smooth paint. Super nice. Then may articulation yung head niya. Tapos, gumagalaw ba? Walang articulation. Okay din yung pose. I like the... Gusto ko yung pose niya. Ito yung hawak niya, yung cape niya. Super cool. You have the logo. Tapos, meron ding highlights and midtones. Tapos, meron ding logo ni Batman sa gitna. Tapos, you have the bright red na belt. Super cool. Kasi parang meron siyang... May accent color na yellow. Super nice. Then, they have the legs, the boots. And you have the cape. May highlights din yung cape. Tapos ito, ang stig tong highlight na ginawa nila, parang Batman logo. Nice. Tapos very dynamic yung design, ay yung pose niya. Dynamic yung cape pala. Pero kasi ito, dynamic din yung pose Pero very dynamic yung cape. Kahit na nakatayo lang siya, very cool display para sa inyong Batman na mga characters like this. Okay? Yan Very cool. Ang gagawin din natin dito sa Batman na to ay i-customize natin siya into a comic book na colored version. Yun yung style na gagawin natin dito, okay? So, recap lang natin. Designs very good. Sculpts nice. Paint jobs very smooth. Wala akong nakikitang any overspray or anything. Yung finish dito is matte. Dito naman medyo glossy. Proportion is it's the Funko Pop proportion na mas malaki yung head kaysa dun sa body. Accessories, meron siyang base. And then height niya 4.5 inches. Okay? So yun lang. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.